Hi guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to install Metapixel in your landing page. But before we get started, let's understand what Metapixel exactly is and what it does. So Metapixel is nothing but a piece of code provided by Facebook that you install in your landing page. What it does is it allows you to track what people do and the activities in your landing page, whether they become a converting customer or not. So all of these will be tracked by using Pixel. It is really important because when you run Facebook ads, it allows you to assess the overall performance of the ad campaign, and it helps you determine success rate as well as like important questions like determining return on investment, or whether to scale your ad campaign or whether to stop your ad campaign. All of these can be determined by relying on the data provided by Pixel. So it also allows it. One more important thing is it allows Facebook to optimize your ads to the maximum potential and produce better ad results. So it provides data like number of impressions, particular time of the day of this traffic in your website, leaders visiting your website, their demographics, where they're from, the age, etc. All of these data will be provided by Pixel. So it is very important that you install Pixel in your landing page. Let's get started. I'm going to share my screen. So click on All Tools. So you'll be able to find an option called Events Manager. Please click on it. And it will take you to this page. So when you have to create a new picture, you have to click on this Connect Data Sources. You click on that, and then a pop-up will show up. So here there are several options provided to you. There's web, app, offline, CRM, messaging. So web is to connect your landing page or website. App is to connect your app to share activity that occurs in your app, including installs and purchases. Offline activities are like you can track offline phone calls or in-store purchases. You can also connect your CRM and messaging, connect valuable data from business chats happening on WhatsApp, Messenger, and Instagram, etc. So since we're going to be installing Pixel on our landing page, we're going to click on this option and give connect. So let's name the Pixel. I'm going to give it test 2 and then create. Right. So now you have to go back to your landing page. Uh, this is a dummy page. I believe there was a you're all creating your templates. So we're going to click on this, and then we will get the page URL. So this is the page URL. Copy this and then paste it in enter website URL and click on check. Click on do it yourself and then click on next. And now you're going to click on this option Metapixel only, and then you're going to click on next again. So now that is all set up, you're going to go to data sources, and your pixel that you created will appear here. So we created test tool, right? So click on test tool. It would look something like this, and there will be a pop-up immediately. So click on install code manually, and then this is the code that you're going to install in your landing page. Let's go back to the landing page, and then let's click on edit page. Right. So here, if you click on the settings, you will find an option called retargeting codes. So you'll press on that, you'll click on that, and then there's three options available to you: head, body start, and body end. So you go back to the events manager, copy the code, and then you're going to paste it here in all three sections. Now, when that's done, you're going to click on update, and then you're going to exit this. So now you're going to click on publish. Wait for it to get published, and then you're going to refresh your page. Now that we already have this page open, so we just have to click on refresh, and then there's something called uh, Metapixel helper. So you have to go to, in order to install it, you have to go to Google and type Metapixel extension. The first option, you will find Metapixel Helper. You have to click on that and add this particular extension to your Chrome. Once that is done, since I already have it installed, I don't need to reinstall it again. So I'll go back to the landing page and then click on extensions. And then you can see there and click on this Metapixel Helper. You can see that this pixel ID that we, the pixel code that we installed is active. So let's go back and then click on continue, and then turn on automatic advanced matching and then click on continue. And then, yeah, we have to go to open event setup tool. So event setup is nothing but when you run your ads, there's an option called conversion, choose your conversion. So so you're going to go back to pages, only, and you're going to click on thank you lead generation from this page, thank you page. I'm going to edit the page. It's very important that you install the pixel code in both of your pages. So again, we're going to click on settings. We're going to click on retargeting codes. Again, we're going to paste the code here on all the three sections and click on update. Once that is updated, we're going to click on publish. After that is published, you're going to click on published URL. We're doing this to see if the code that we installed is active using the extension, right? So we'll click on extension again and click on Metapixel Helper, and you can see that the page view is active. So what you're going to do next is you're going to set up an event. So we're going to click the thank you page URL, copy the thank you page URL, and then you're going to paste it over here. Cross check it again that the URL is right. So you're going to click on open website. Now that this is open, you will find a pop-up here. So events on this page, you'll have to create an event. So in order to do that, you're going to click on track a URL, and then you're going to click on select an event. So we're going to click on lead. So yes, and then don't include value, and then you're going to click on confirm. Now that this is active, now you're going to finish setup, and then you're going to finish. You can either, this is your, just gonna quickly submit the feedback. So, contact. This is done, you're going to exit, and then it usually takes about 30 minutes to show the events that you set up. So let's go to Pixel. Let's click on this and go to Pixel overview. It's not showing up at the moment, so the activity history, when you click on history, it'll show the recent activities. So we have created a new event need, and then we've added it on the thank you page. And then we've added the code to both of our thank you page and then the main landing page. So that's what we've done, and it shows up here. So give it a little bit time and it will appear under test events. And you can also confirm that the website events are set up correctly by going to this option and again doing a cross verification. Okay, you can just now it's saying it's receiving activity, right? And now it's showing the lead event has been set up and it's processed. Page view is also processed. So let's click on overview again. Let's wait and then it will appear automatically. Now this is how you set up Pixel and then install the code in both of your pages, which is the main landing page and thank you page. In thank you page, you're going to set up an event called lead, and that is highly important because it's going to allow you to track your customer behavior. That's it for the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.